Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save tips on the Bunch application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Explore button down below, which is the second option. Click on a reading. Tap on Start Reading, and if you want to save it, all you have to do is tapping on this bookmark icon at the top of the screen. As you can see, it has been added to the Save Tips section, so if you want to check it out, tap on this X icon in the upper left corner and click on this arrow pointing to the left direction at the top of the screen, and then click on the Save Tips button down below, which is the third option, and all of your saved items will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.